Have a look at these high-quality images. These beautiful images were not generated using Midjourney. So today I'll show you an awesome AI art generator which can produce high-quality images just like Midjourney. This amazing website called playgroundai is an awesome AI art generator that lets you generate 1,000 images per day for free. So go to this website and just sign in with Google, and you can just start generating images very easily. After signing in, you will see the community feed where you can check out these awesome images to find inspiration and ideas on what kind of images you want to generate. They also have different categories and sections like anime, fashion, sci-fi, landscape, and much more. You can click on any of the image to find out what prompts are used to generate these images. This will help you to understand how to write better prompts to generate high-quality images that you want. You can also download these images and recreate a new one by clicking this remix button. By remixing the image, you can edit the prompt and choose different models and art styles to recreate a new image of your own. Now we're going to write in a prompt, and let's check out what it can generate. Click on this Create button here, and you will see this interface. You can write your prompts here. So I have a prompt already. As you can see, these keywords such as violet glow background, short hair, cat ears, detailed eyes, hyper-detailed face, sharp focus, perfect, model, textured, looking into the camera, realistic. These words will help the AI know what type of image you want. The more detailed and specific prompts you write, the better the results will be. You can enhance your prompt by choosing the models and filters to get a better quality image. They have different models which you can choose here, but let's keep this to Stable Diffusion 1.5, as it offers a lot of filters and art styles to choose from. You can experiment with these different styles that will be applied to your image and select any filter such as flat palette, masterpiece, pop art, dark comic, dream shaper, photorealism, pixel, or any other art style that you want in your image. Choose the dimensions that you want and select the number of images that you want to generate. Select 4 so that you can see different variations. You can customize other settings as well, such as image quality and prompt guidance. Now to generate some images, click on this Generate button. Playground AI will generate you images in a couple of seconds. As you can see, these images look really stunning and very high quality. The best part is that all these image generations are free, and you can use this alternative if you don't have the Midjourney subscription. I'll show you some more images and prompts so you can get an idea of how prompts work, and then you can experiment things on your own. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel for more such amazing content.